Hey all, so in this video I'll give you an overview of the menu bar and introduce you to some of the most useful commands. I'm going to take you through a quick intro into the menu bar. So these rows of tabs and icons at the top are referred to as the Microsoft Excel ribbon. This aims to separate all the tools into different components. Each tab is then split into groups such as the clipboard, font and alignment. Within each group you have the command buttons which will perform a specific function. And since all the commands cannot fit on the ribbon, there's a dialog launcher at the bottom right of each group that will launch additional commands that are related to that specific group. It might seem intimidating, however, please don't feel the need to try and understand every command button. You should just try to familiarize yourself with some of the main ones, which I'll go through now. The Home tab contains the most frequent commands that you will tend to use. This includes cut, copy and paste, formatting your data, and sorting out your data and filtering. The Insert tab is used to add objects into your worksheets like pivot tables, shapes, charts, and even equations. Page Layout tool has tools to manage the appearance on screen and also tools for printing. These commands, for example, include controlling your margins, the orientation, and the print areas. The Formula tab allows you to insert built-in Excel functions. It allows you to define name ranges and audit your formulas, tracking the dependent and precedent cells. Some of you may be thinking, slow down, what the hell does tracking dependent and precedent cells mean? We'll come onto these in future videos, so don't worry. The Data tab contains your data management tools where you can sort and filter the data. Also remember, if you're not sure about what a command does, just hover the mouse icon over the command and you'll get a pop-up with some additional information, like so. The Review tab allows you to spell check, add comments, and has your security protection commands, such as protecting your sheets and protecting your workbooks. The View tab allows you to customize the worksheet views and freeze the panes. The Developer tab is a tab that many of you may not actually see, as by default, Microsoft hides this icon or tab. It's not important to add this tab as its uses are mainly to create macros via VBA. This tool is much more advanced. Lastly, I'll move on to the File tab, which is slightly different from all the other tabs. This is also known as the Backstage View and contains essential file-related commands and Excel options. You can create new documents, open different files. It also contains saving function and printing functions. To get yourself back into the Excel spreadsheet from the File tab, either hit the back arrow here or press Escape on the keyboard. Another thing that you should be aware of is you are able to customize your ribbon views. Simply select this icon in the top right corner, which will give you the following options. You can auto hide the ribbon so it will only be visible when you click the top of the screen. You can just show the tabs and the commands will only become visible when you click a specific tab. Or you can set it so that the tabs and commands are visible at all times. So this allows you to tailor the screen to your own preferences and situations. For example, if you need to make more rows visible, you can hide the Microsoft Excel ribbon. So that was a quick whistle-stop tour through all the various tabs and commands. I hope it was useful and it should give you a basic understanding. And honestly, don't feel the need to try and learn all the commands. That will come to you as we go through this course and you start using the application more and more. Also, at the start, the main commands you're likely to need will be on the Home tab.